Children, in this question of your maths book, this is the 8th question, where it is given solve 3 into x plus 1 greater than equal to 5 into x minus 3 plus 4, and where the replacement set is given as x such that x belongs to z, that is integer, and x is less than 12 and greater than minus 5. Now, first thing you have to understand that why I'm reading this sign less than as greater than. So always remember that if the inequality sign is on the left hand side of the variable, then we always read it just the opposite of that sign. This is actually a sign of less than, but we are going to read it just the opposite of less than, and that is greater than. So this is also an inequation, and it will be read as x less than 12 and greater than minus 5. That means the replacement set contains all the integers which are having the value as less than 12, but other values are greater than minus 5. So first we are going to sort out all the members that are present in the replacement set, and it will be minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, and so on. That means these are all the integers which are greater than minus 5, what I read it over here. And it will continue till 10 and 11. So as you can see, I haven't written all the members, but this dot dot means that it will include 3, 4, 5, 6 till 11, because the inequation is read as x less than 12 and greater than minus 5. That means all the integers which are having the value as bigger than minus 5 but less than 12 will be the members of this replacement set. Now coming back to the linear equation, what they have given to us is 3 into x plus 1 greater than equal to 5 into x minus 3 plus 4. Now first we are going to open the brackets. This will be 3 into x as 3x, and then 3 into plus 1 will be plus 3 greater than equal to, again the second bracket, 5 into x will be 5x, then 5 into minus 3 will be minus 15 plus 4. Now as you can see, these two are like terms, so we are going to solve it, and in the next step it will be, this part will be copied as it is as 3x plus 3 greater than equal to 5x minus 11, because minus plus is minus, so 15 minus 4 will be minus 11. Then in the next step it will be, as you can see, that 3 and minus 11 are actually like terms. In the same manner, 3x and 5x are also like terms. So we are going to transpose the like terms. So minus 11, on bringing it on the left hand side of the inequality sign, it will become plus 11, and 3x on bringing it on the right hand side of the inequality sign, it will become minus 3x. So this will be 3 plus 11 greater than equal to 5x minus 3x. Now this will be 14. 3 plus 11 is actually 14 greater than equal to 2x. And finally, after that, 2x greater than equal to 14, on cross multiplying, the value for x can be taken out as 14 upon 2, which on cancellation will be giving us as 7. So this will be read as, x is less than equal to 7. Now because this is actually the sign of greater than equal to, but we are going to read it as x is less than equal to 7, because I told you that whenever an inequality sign is placed on the left hand side of the variable, then it is always read the opposite of it. So because it is actually the sign of greater than equal to, but we are going to read it just the opposite of it, that is x is less than equal to 7. Now in the solution set, you are going to include only those integers which are less than and equal to 7. So the first member will be 7 itself, then 6, then 5, then 4, and till minus 4, because in the replacement set the members got started from minus 4 till 11. So in the solution set we'll be including all the values which are either equal to 7 or less than 7. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. All these will be the solutions for this given inequation.